Hello Internet marketers, I am Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I'm going to show you how to add in your opt-in form onto your WordPress posts, pages, and sidebar. Here I am at my getresponse form builder. So you have to make your own form first, and then you can save and publish, and then you get your JavaScript code here and you just copy it. Head over to your post, and here I have an example post. Here's the post content, so let's paste it here. So in order to do that, you need to click on text up here, and then at the bottom or wherever you want to paste it, just simply paste in your JavaScript code like this. So WordPress nowadays is smart enough to allow JavaScript into your post, and then let's preview it. So here's the preview. As you can see, here is the opt-in form, and how you want to style the way the web form looks depends on how you style it from your GetResponse or whichever autoresponder marketing, email marketing services you use. And for adding a new page is exactly the same. You just need to create the content and make sure you go to text editor, paste in your form, and it'll show up exactly the same as if it was the post. So here's my page, exactly the same idea, same thing as the regular post. And now let's go on to widgets, to add a sidebar opt-in form. So with this, all you have to do is find the custom HTML widget tab here, drag it to wherever you want it to be displayed, like this, and then you can title it. So just like this, get this free thing, enter in your script right here, and you can add in other HTML codes too if you want, and click save. So let's go find it in the sidebar. Here it is, my sidebar. Here, get this free thing, and there's the opt-in form. So that's how easy it is to add an opt-in form to your WordPress blogs without any kind of plugin or complicated methods. It's simple copy and paste. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out more videos from How to Webmaster.